Q3 shows Camaro sales tanking terrible, but they do sell more Camaros than Corvettes. Let's talk about it. What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today we are here to talk about Q3 sales of Camaro, Mustang, and Challenger. As you guys know, Camaro has been steadily declining consistently throughout every quarter since forever. I mean, the sales for Camaro just haven't been great. And I don't know if it's GM just not willing to budge on pricing, if the car's just missing the mark. I mean, they've definitely had scenarios where their pricing was better than the competition, but Q3 brings us more bad news. So currently, year to date, Camaro's only sold 22,000 cars, plus or minus, a little over 22,000. I have the number here, 22,226 to be exact. And in Q3, they sold 8,366 cars. Now, that's like 2,000 more Camaros than Corvettes. I mean, that's good news, right? They're outselling Corvettes. I think the median price or the entry-level price of the Corvette's like 2 or 3x what the Camaro price is. So yeah, that's not good news. But Dodge Challenger, they sold 16,332, 2 times more than the Camaro. The Mustang put out 13,851. And again, 8,366 for the Camaro. Now, if you compare that to the previous year, all brands are down. They're all down, but Challenger is just taking the market right now. Their year to date right now is 38,000, Mustang's at 47,000, and Camaro's at 22,000. So overall, Mustang has done better throughout the year, but as far as sales for Q3, Challenger's winning, Mustang's just behind them, and Camaro is in the coattails. It's unfortunate, but it's just, I don't know. GM just doesn't seem like they want to market or push this car whatsoever. And the pushes and the marketing that they're doing is very generic. Now, if you guys didn't know, the marketing team, for the most part, at least the dedicated Camaro team, they're gone. They've just been divided up and spread throughout most of GM. And it's really unfortunate. Now, GM has turned their focus and they're starting to pump out electric vehicles, and everyone's like, the Camaro's gonna die in 2023, and they're probably correct. Camaro's probably gonna go away in 2023. Whether or not we see a 7th generation Camaro remains to be seen. I believe, and from the rumors and talk that I've seen, is Camaro will go on hiatus again, like it did in 2001 or whatever year it was for the 4th gen, the catfish that killed the brand. No, a lot of decisions there. Sorry, I shouldn't have gone that way, but I did. And I think we'll see something probably back in the mix in 2025. So what does that leave me to do? Well, I'm not gonna be able to buy a new 7th gen Camaro, but I'll definitely be swinging around town in my 1971 Resto rebuild. So yeah, keep it going, Camaro. GM, get some better pricing, market your cars better, and you'll probably move more units. It might be worth it at this point, because your new CT4 or C4T or whatever it is, the Cadillac, I believe that gets built alongside the Camaro. Yeah, it only sold 1,400 units this quarter. Yeah, that's bad. I don't know if that's enough cars to keep a plant busy. And I know from what I've heard, they've dropped down shifts and scheduling. That's just not good news. It's not good news. It's just not. So prayers for the people who revolve around Camaro. We love the brand. We want to see it keep going, but I just feel GM is doing no justice for this car whatsoever. It sucks. The Z01 1LE is pretty awesome though. Either or, that's all the news we got for today. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, see you on the road.